Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating on how you can configure your PDO meter from Leadtec instruments. To begin, press mode once, enter the password, which is 1200. Here we have the configuration list, and from this list we can tell that this controller have 2 current output and 3 relays. Let's go through current 1 setting. The current 1 setting allows you to set the 4 to 20 mA scale for the saturation, and it is widely selectable, so you can just move the cursor and adjust the value accordingly. It comes together with an offset function for fine-tuning. The current 2 setting allows you to set the 4 to 20 mA scale for the temperature. Relay 1 setting allows you to set the set point and as well as the operation of the relay. So we can turn it on or off. And for closed SP, it represents closed set point. Closed set point means that the relay will be energized at this set point, and open represents the relay will be de-energized at this set point. Let's take an example. If my probe is immersed at a 19% saturation water, the relay will be energized, and say for instance if we have an aerator and it's going to provide more air until the saturation reaches 80%, and once it have achieved 80%, it is going to cut off. Remember to press enter to save. Relay 2 is basically the same. As for relay 3, it is a multifunctional relay that we can use it for cleaning and as well as interval. For the measurement setting, we can set the mode for percentage, ppm, or milligram per liter. The temperature setting allows us to offset the temperature. The RS485 setting allows us to assign the ID address for this controller and to set the baud rate accordingly to our PLC, for example. So you can set your local time and the date setting. The data log setting allows you to switch the data log program on or off, and the display type, whether you would like to have it in details or project it on an XY chart form. With a save period of 60 seconds, you are able to save up to approximately a year of data. The output test can be used to identify any current output compensation. So for instance, if you have connected it through your PLC and all, and you'd like to test if there's any signal loss, all you have to do is to move the cursor and adjust the value. Say for instance, if I were to set 16 mA here, I'm going to press enter, and as for now it is injecting 16 milliamps through the current output. So you can do it for current 2 as well. For the relay output test, you can turn it on or off manually. And to access the data log, all you have to do is press the up button and press 1 and press enter. However, there is no record in this controller yet. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.